Are you having a problem with bugs? Or maybe you would like to avoid a problem with bugs? Have you tried to take care of the problem yourself, but it just didn't work out? Maybe you know someone else that has a pest problem. Well, fear not. You've come to the right place. Hi folks, this is Guy, and I can help you with your pest problems. I will do my very best, just as quickly as I can, to produce videos on every type of pest that you can possibly encounter. Just click on the subscribe button and I will show you exactly how to solve most of your pest problems yourself, quickly, cheaply, safely, and effectively. Also, I will answer any questions for anybody, anytime, about any pest, for free, even if I do not have a video on the particular pest in question. I have been doing pest control for many years now, and I have been licensed in several states. So if you place your trust in me, together we will send those nasty bugs packing once and for all. Remember, I am always here to help.